Watching Kayladeebookings, Caribbean Queen, Kayladeebookings, Caribbean Queen, beauty, fashion, everything you need. You're watching Kayladeebookings, Caribbean Queen, Kayladeebookings, Caribbean Queen, beauty, fashion, everything you need. Kayladeebookings.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Kayla. So for today's video, I will be doing a full wig install for you guys. I feel like it's been so long since I did a wig install. The wig that I'll be installing for you guys today is from Premium Lace Wig. With your package, they do send you a few goodies. So in here we have our wig, and then you get a stocking cap, a rat tail comb, some bobby pins, and also some lashes. Ooh, I'm looking at my computer screen, so that's why I'm like going all wrong. But yeah, so you get a box of goodies. This is the wig. Also does come with a really deep parting space, as you guys can see. This is their body wave highlight wig. It is a wandy with some highlights in it. The hair is really soft and pretty, you guys. Definitely loving the way that this feels. It feels amazing, and also, like I mentioned, it does come with a really deep parting space. Does come somewhat pre-plucked, and it also has like the little baby hairs on it, but these are grown folks baby hairs, so you will have to go in and cut them. But yeah, this is the wig. Like, it is beautiful. I'm so excited to install this. It's been like 2 months now since my last wig install, so hopefully I don't mess this up and it could actually turn out looking good. this is the wig, you guys. The hair is beautiful. It is super soft. I feel like I'm just gonna go ahead really quickly and add some one curls to it. I'm using this one right here. It is from Conair. So yeah, I'm not gonna add too much. Like, I'm gonna do them in like big sections because I do have to go and I just don't have time for that right now. So yeah. Alright y'all, so this is me after I finish one curl in the hair. I'm just gonna finger comb them out. This wig is definitely giving everything that she needs to be given. It is super flawless, and like I said, I have not installed the wig in about 2 months, you guys, so I feel so back to myself. I feel brand new. This is just amazing. The hair color also is really beautiful. For right now, you guys, I have 0 complaints with this hair, and so far she's looking like she does hold a curl, so I'm impressed with that. I'm not exactly sure what sort of lace it is that they use, but the lace on this wig was super soft and it was really thin. It does remind me a lot like HD lace because it was just so thin that it laid completely flat onto my head. It is looking seamless. I didn't use any foundation or anything around the hairline, and the lace is just like melted in. It just looks amazing, you guys. So while styling the hair or installing it, I did not get any shedding or any tangles from this wig. It was really easy to lay down. It is 24 inches and it is true to length. So far, again, like I mentioned, you guys, no shedding, no tangling. This hair feels absolutely amazing. I don't have any complaints with this wig so far. Again, it is from Premium Lace Wigs. I have some really great units at very affordable prices. So I say affordable, I'm talking like under 200, under, you know, 300. Nothing above $300, and their wigs are great. They do last you a while. You guys should definitely check them out. Also, if I do have a discount code, that will be listed down below in the description box. I definitely recommend this wig. It's so soft, so silky, and it just looks amazing. If I was to rate this wig out of 10, I would definitely give it a 10 out of 10. The hair itself was really easy to style. So yeah, comment down below and let me know what you guys think about this hair, the color, all of that. And as usual, I will catch you guys in my next one. Give me a big thumbs up if you did enjoy this video. Like, comment, share, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.